goodness. Look at him. Oh no, he's in the middle of the sheet. You can see him up here on my thing. Oh wow. That's my rear view. Oh, how cool. All right, dinner was delicious. Bye. They have a gift shop here. It's really nice. These hangout.
Yeah.
So we here, we go along here. We'll be along the you know.
Yeah, we ain't gotta go up.
Yeah,
We ain't doing all that.
okay.
We walk straight this path and walk straight that side back. And this dog wants to run so bad. Here.
Oh,
Look. Fire.
what that mean?
It just burned down. They had forest fire here.
Okay, we could just. No, I don't want to do this.
Come on, scaredy cat.
Babe, I don't want to do this.
Babe, look at me. I'll never let anything happen
But
to
you
you.
ain't looking now.
I am looking out. Understand it's cold. These animals don't come out when it's cold.
Oh, I don't know now. Let me just stop now.
Yeah, stay close. You say I'm not looking around, but I'm the one that told you there was a fire here. I want to see one anyway.
No.
I'm not looking around.
What's this close for? You're looking in the wrong direction. You look to the water. Oh, you look both ways.
I do look both ways there.
You're the leader. I'm scared.
I see. I can feel it. I'm pulling my damn clothes and walking under my shoes. I can literally feel you shaking.
Okay. Oh God, I'm so nervous. Something's wrong because we're the only fools down
Come on,
here.
Tessie.
Come on, Tessie. Oh.
Yeah, show the people that too. Just all burned down.
Okay, well, we'll look to the left and I'm gonna look to the right. See, this they burn, you know. They did their little thing, whatever they need to do. The forest. Oh Lord Jesus. How far does go? Do we look? Okay, we almost
Look
out.
around right here. This the end. And we can walk back up at the top so you don't be all scared. There ain't even no prints.
Just be quiet, babe. Just relax. What's that?
Come
right
on,
there?
Sassy.
Babe, what's that right there?
Up there.
You see that?
That's just a brass stick.
Babe, there's bubbles coming up from it right there. Right there.
You talking about that thing that looks like a head?
Mm-hmm.
Babe, that's a stick.
Go walk out there and see. Don't you do... Look,
You can't irritate them. The sign said don't irritate them. If it is,
I'm
it looks like a
scared.
stick to me. Come on.
But I did it, y'all. Oh. I did
You want to keep going?
Yeah.
Okay. Watch your head.
I'm short. Would you watch my head?
You gotta watch your head.
Yeah, I guess.
What's that?
Here's my thing. If you know the gators and stuff right here, Why are you allowing people to walk this and children? I don't understand.
Because they don't normally attack humans.
But they said it on the sign.
They've been known to attack larger animals, us, if provoked. That's why you're not supposed to irritate them.
Okay. Well, no gators.
It's too cold, babe.
It don't mean they're not there. He's such a daredevil, but he want to do it with my dog. Babe, one thing I do know, you don't leave. You don't leave me out here by myself, standing here alone. Something wrong with him. I heard something bubble over there. Was it a gator? But that's Gator Lake. Any gators right here? Gators, where are you? Come out, gators. They don't want to see me. That's alright. I still want to put a little bead around it, but not as much as we had going on. That was way too much. Check out a little bead sage, but let me go ahead and scrape this off. I thought this was going to work better, but it's just as bad. Just as much as the struggle to breathe. Lanterns and Jamaican style beef patties.
I just don't have the daylight. Honestly,
Making my
I
dinner.
just don't think I have enough peace because I feel like
That's
I may need to
my
make a trip to a home improvement
view.
store
My
to get a
campsite.
new
Stizzy Chronicles.
connection piece.
Check her channel out, guys. Stizzy Chronicles.
Connected. See how this does. Turn on water slowly. Slowly. Doesn't seem like it's failing from it.
I got a gift. Finally received it from my son. Christmas gift. So I get to open it. Well, let me open it now while I'm getting my food together.
I can turn.
Especially for you. What we got? Ooh, hello, fabulous. Oh, this is, and it's my favorite color, teal.
What's this at?
Oh,
See if it's on enough.
my son.
Take this bad
Oh,
boy.
too cute. Ocean. He knows knows I love the beach. This is awesome. Handmade soap. I do not know how to pronounce that. Scented candle. This is cute. It smells so good. This is a nice gift. Oh, what's this? Bath soap. Well, I won't be able to use this for a while because I don't think I'm going home until maybe end of February or March. This is so cute. I don't even think I'm going to use this. I don't think I'm going to use it. No, it's too pretty. Maybe, okay, maybe a little bit. That's cute. Bath bomb. Not gonna take that out. And this is, oh, especially for me. I don't know what this is. I don't want to open it because all of this is gonna come out.
Me too, friend.
But this here is too cute. Sometimes you forget you are awesome, even though it said you're awesome. So this is your reminder. Oh, thank you, son. Oh, my favorite color. As you could tell. This is nice.
My name is Sean Harper. I'm the CEO.
All right, guys, I gotta go. I need to call my son.